Tara! In this short vlog, I will teach you how to make my own chicken and tofu dinakdakan. So we have chopped fried tofu, shredded boiled chicken breast, chopped onions, minced ginger, green chili, and red chili. So we have all the ingredients together. Put some salt and mix them all together. This is only the initial mixing for our dinakdakan. So for our dressing, put mayonnaise, put some sugar, any type of sugar you want, and calamansi juice. So mix the ingredients all together for our dinakdakan dressing. So make sure that you mixed it together properly. And we have dressing. Put the dressing into our mixture like this. And now, mix the dressing and our ingredients all together. So this will give an ultimate best of taste into our chicken and tofu dinakdakan. So make sure that you mixed it properly. Tada! We have chicken and tofu dinakdakan made by Joms for you. That's me. Tara, try this and kain tayo.